Did you know that AI solutions can recognize emotion hidden in speech with over 95% of accuracy? In our daily routine, 90% of communication is nonverbal, and 38% is conveyed through tone. Speech emotion recognition is successful in applications like identifying customer satisfaction and depression diagnosis. Speech emotion recognition is a rapidly growing technology with a projected CAGR of 19.3% from 2020 to 2027, reaching a market size of $3.9 billion. Speech emotion recognition uses AI and machine learning to analyze speech and classify emotions. The process involves speech signal processing, feature extraction, model training, emotion classification, and output of the emotion label. Identifying emotions in speech is a challenging task due to the complexity of emotions, cultural differences, the ambiguity of speech, lack of data, and technical challenges. Despite these difficulties, SER accuracy has improved and is projected to reach 99% in 2023. AITS engineers have developed a low-code platform with templates for detecting speech emotion recognition using AI computer vision techniques and machine learning algorithms. This involves training a model on a dataset of voices of different types of speech emotion recognition poses and then using this model to classify new voices of speech emotion recognition objects. The model is trained with different types of convolutional neural networks combined with transfer learning with pre-trained deep learning models with an accuracy of over 99%. The deep learning model is easily created by collecting voice samples with labeled emotion in a dataset on a TinyML platform like cAInvas with pre-processing that includes normalization and augmentation and training the model, resulting in an accurate model that is compiled with deepC. Speech emotion recognition technology is complex and multifaceted, due to factors such as cultural differences, the ambiguity of speech, lack of data, and technical challenges. TinyML platforms like cAInvas algorithms play a critical role in the development of speech emotion recognition technology. It has a potential to achieve a predicted accuracy rate of 99% in 2023. SER technology is growing rapidly, with a projected market size of $3.9 billion by 2027. Design your own customized solution for emotion recognition in the voice samples with cAInvas and help your customers by providing an emotionally intelligent service with a TinyML solution designed with cAInvas. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.